Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best ravioli maker. So let's get started. Number 7. Bellemain Large Ravioli Maker. With this item, you have your granny's recipe covered. Your friends will not let you go before making them the delicious ravioli with the Bellemain maker. The secret is in the large size that allows for more fillings. Since it has a uniform size, you expect the uniform sizes of ravioli that are uniformly cooked as opposed to dry ones and overcooked ones that you sometimes get when you have no even pieces. The ravioli maker has 12 large enough holes for you to have different kinds of fillings. With this piece, you have the metal rod doing all the cutting for you, and you won't have to spend hours pinching the pieces again by hand. Number 6. Ravioli Cutter Stamp and Roller. Best value for your money, really. A square stamp and 2 circles for small and big ravioli. It comes with a ravioli wheel as well, or use it to cut reginette. The stamps are of a bit flimsy, and I don't expect mine to last me more than 2/3 years. But it's a great set for beginners, especially regarding its low price. For higher quality stamps, check out MARCATO and Epicotispi. Number 5. Chefly Pasta Ravioli Maker. Making pasta at home has never been this easy with the Chefly machine. Why use your hands to shape this pasta, ravioli, fettuccine, or noodles when Chefly has your back? You will have the perfect texture and flavor at home. You will choose from the 9 settings how thick you want your dough to be. You then go ahead and choose the width of the pasta, or the square size of the ravioli with the serrated edge. It features the regular manual hand clamp model that will clamp on your table. Number 4. KitchenAid Ravioli Attachment. If you own a KitchenAid, you're in luck. It's probably the only electric ravioli maker that actually works. Rather expensive, so I'll link you to the renewed, cheaper version on Amazon. As a curator, cook and consumer, I find the retail version to be a bit overpriced. Number 3. MARCATO Ravioli Maker Attachment. If you own the MARCATO 150, this ravioli maker is a great addition to make a lot of square ravioli in very little time. Making different fillings isn't a problem at all, as long as you have 2 pasta sheets. Comes with the classic MARCATO 10-year warranty. Number 2. Ravioli Maker Mold. The ravioli mold is designed to quickly make the 12/18 or 24 pieces at a go. How convenient is that? It comes with the ravioli mold and rolling pin to help spread the sheet nicely. We find some molds unable to seal the ravioli, but not this piece. With its sturdy construction, you will use the ravioli maker for long, especially because it's made using stainless steel. You expect nothing short of uniformity with this piece. You can also have it in 4 different shapes: hexagonal, round, square, and triangular ravioli. Always remember to hand wash it. Furthermore, rest assured that your piece is corrosion resistant. It doesn't matter the type of filling you have, because with the tray and press you have all you need to make the ravioli. Number 1. Norpro Ravioli Maker with Press. This ravioli maker comes with a press that you may use to make the pasta sheet, thus you won't even need the pasta maker. You can work with the rolling pin the old-fashioned way. But before you can begin using the ravioli press, you must get your dough right, otherwise, having a great ravioli remains a dream. What I like about this maker is that it makes it easy for even a beginner to make his ravioli. It comes with a recipe guide for you to follow when making the dough. As you will notice, it has two parts, the plastic one and the metal side. Instead of using your fingers to dent the ravioli, you use the plastic side, and then the metal one makes the shapes and outer parts of the ravioli when you finish rolling it. You have your rolling pin to help you roll the ravioli once the dough is ready.